May 1st, 2023. Lord have mercy. About to go out. So, so cold. My ears are cold. Hi, how are you? Give me a minute. There is all of it. Okay. Oh, look at the red call pulling out. As soon as they take my camera out. See, I just took it out. I wasn't going to film as soon as it came out, even though I heard constant honking. The sirens is actually the first thing I heard when it came out. And then the honking. Then all the red cars. I saw Booty Bandit across the street over there. Now you would think the car that just pulled out, it would come forward, right? Because that's what you do when you back out of your driveway. But no, where the hell is it? I don't know. I guess it's hiding. So anyways, I just saw a woman. Oh, there it is. You can see at the corner. See, it's at the corner, Duncan. Why the hell would you back up like that? You're not supposed to do that. And it's going the other way. Illegal turn, but he got away with it, right? Of course. Perps always get away with everything. So I'm like, fuck all these red cars. Fuck you honking. And then one guy, there was a couple of cars actually, but the guy had a red shirt on. He decided to honk the horn after some girl was crossing the street in front of him. Why would you flirt with somebody with your wife in the car? That's stupid. So those are perps. Those are perps too. So they really don't like me talking to other TIs. It's only one other TI. It's not like, like we're making out or anything. It's kind of funny that they're pissed off about that. And we could talk for hours. Well, that's not, we couldn't talk for hours because they kept dropping the phone call. The perps was so mad that we was talking. You hear them honking? And then they kept dropping the phone call on his side. Last week it was my side. And then they kept muting our microphones, or our phones, our speakers, on both ends. And then sirens on his ends. And now I come out of the house and sirens on my end. Come on now. This was so predictable though. They're so stupid. They do the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. I don't know why, but that's what they gotta do. They feel like they're better than us for doing that stuff. Let them. I said, let them go crazy too in front of us. And there's the sirens. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's kind of funny. It's entertaining. It's, for reals. I'm not going straight to Dunkin'. I gotta get something. I gotta go to the pharmacy first and then go to Dunkin'. So maybe that's why, I had to see Booty Bandit for a second because he's not gonna be at Dunkin' if I'm not there. The new perps, they're getting a little angry with me for not going to Dunkin' right away. They did voice the skull on me this morning. I set the alarm too early because I know I don't really have any appointments this week. I chose later in the week is when I'm going to go. So I didn't make the arrangements yet or anything. Tomorrow I'll make the arrangements. I can do 2 days in advance. I'm not going to tell you the time because then you'll look it up, the trolls, and they'll find out where it is and when I'm going to be there. Oh, like Popo. Shocking. Next time, put the lights on while you're at it. See? They always got to be seen. This person don't wear camouflage pants. Oh. Usually stuff from the trees doesn't bother me too much anymore. Anyways, so the new perps are kind of mad. And I noticed on camera there was a new perp wearing all black and a little bit of red sticking out. So I gotta make it. Anyway, how are you? Yeah, so you see now it's getting full of people. Now people are coming around and gonna come fly by. So I'm like, yeah, fuck you, perps with your red. You know, saying that, and then they kept coming. They kept coming around. I don't like when we curse them back. Oh well. See that couple every day. And the Asian people, they always got red bags. It doesn't matter if they're getting stalked or not. And there's supermarkets that give out red bags, you know, plastic bags. And they always have red tote bags, all that kind of stuff. They like plastic. And sometimes it's convenient, I'm not gonna lie. Like when I used to get grocery bags from the store, I used to save them and use them as garbage bags. Especially when you're cleaning out like fish or chicken or whatever, you know, all the guts and everything, you put it in those bags. You double bag it and you throw it in the garbage. So that's when it's convenient. I like my bedroom, I have like a little pail in there, you know, catches everything. You know, when you brush your hair, you pull a little hair out the brush, you know, stuff like that. So, nobody knows, you know. So it's convenient, those bags. And honestly, if you just threw them out, it would be worse. At least they're filled with something. Great, now the shit in my throat from the trees. Anyways, okay, so this is the girl that the guy was honking at. Look, a little bit of red sticking out. So anyways, the guy, so today on camera, all black with a little bit of red sticking out of his shirt. And he looked confused, like he was looking around, he kept looking back. I guess somebody told him I would be there at whatever time. Oh, it's my neighbor too. Yeah, he's a drunkard. His dog barked at me a couple times. The Yorkies, man, I'm telling you, they bark at everybody. Booty Bandit, Verizon Booty Bandit. I think that's Verizon Booty Bandit. You see his black out with a little bit of red sticking out. And then orange on the bottom of the shoes with all the Masonic colors. Yeah. That's why I noticed the perps, they come around, they stop in front of my house, but they keep going. Like before, they used to stop in front of my house, honk the horn, like very aggressively, and then drive off. But them just stopping in front of my house, I'm not gonna put that on YouTube. That looks like nothing. So, somebody with a red hoodie. So my allergies are bothering me. So what does he do? That. On the carpet, he's banging it. That's like great. Anyway, here comes more perps. You know, they blast the music like that. They think we're gonna be angry about it. We used to do that back in our day all the time. It's not a new thing. Yes, see? Come on, play my song. Pull it up. It's my song. Well, one of my many songs. Anyway. And so a big-lipped, big-ass girl with a little French bulldog. She passed by my house with a different guy. That was not her boyfriend. Because her boyfriend goes into Dunkin' after me. And he talks on the phone. And I recognized her voice. When she would come in and pick up her coffee. She never used to stay. She always used to talk to the cashier. He's in love with her. So he's gonna sit there, trying to interrupt my video. Damn, they never fixed that door. They do that on purpose too. This is what purpose do too. If something breaks down like that, they're not gonna call the landlord to come fix it. Because they don't care. The landlord don't care because he's in on the targeting too. I'm home, so I'm the only one that sees that happening. So they did their job. They feel like. Told you. That's what purpose do too. There was one guy. He was down the block in his car. It's probably the same guy. The windows down, blasting some music. I don't know what music it was. He was singing along to it, screaming. The whole block heard him. Well, if they actually would have came out of that house like they used to. Like back in the day, they used to come out of the house, the whole family, and just stare at people. They don't do that no more. So what great gunk is that? Is that his car? I guess so. What the hell? Yeah, some of them are gang stalkers. Well, the guy behind the counter has a bad attitude. Everybody, he don't even brush his teeth. He's got so much tartar in his mouth. I'm like, are you fucking serious? Like, he kept all his teeth. And when you're targeting individuals, they mess your teeth up. They did a number of my teeth. I had to do a lot of surgery now. So put veneers and stuff in there, a lot of expensive shit. Because they were mad I had all my teeth when I was a kid, younger, a teenager. And I had braces. Oh, my teeth look beautiful. Straight and beautiful. And I was happier. I looked in the mirror, I'm like, oh, okay, like, now I look normal now, you know. So annoying. But that dentist was the worst anyway, too. He would tell me I didn't need to wear my retainer at all after a year. You're supposed to wear it your whole life. Supposed to wear it at bedtime. Those were like the plastic ones, the clear ones. And you really can't wear them 24/7. It sucks up all your spit. So I would wear them before bed. I would soak them in Polydent. The little pills, the little... What was that? Somebody lost their beanie. Oh, today the Amazon people finally took their bag back. The bag that they used for deliveries. They left it here. They left it right here. So my neighbor here, the landlord, he put it in their gate. And they finally picked it up today. Princess Vespa over there. I think I see a dog walker. Yeah, like, I noticed that people are different in my neighborhood. That's, normal, whatever. People, could walk around, do whatever, and go wherever, so no matter. But it's just, they don't act right. They act suspicious. Like right now, like, he had a cross right now with the honk. You heard the honk? And now he's wearing red and black. See, they're both doing it. They're wearing red and black stripes, and this woman is like in the way now. See, look. Like, really? This is what they do when they get an innocent dog and use the innocent dog with them. Come on, you fucking gang stalkers. Unbelievable. Oh, they're gang stalkers too, these bitches. We had a Jeep, and I saw the Jeep too. And the girl's having a party in front of my house. Oh, what we had, what holiday it was. We had something. I think it was Christmas. And they're not Christian, so they don't like Christmas. It's not a Christian holiday, anyways, a pagan holiday. Anyways, so we have some decorations. For some reason, these girls with their Jeep, they had the music blasting, singing along, drunk as fuck. And they like wanted to be on camera. I don't know who paid these bitches, but whoever paid those bitches to do that needs to get their ass beat. So anyway, so they really wanted to pop the balloon. They're not the only ones though that wanted to do that. So many people have. But when the little kids come around, usually they like to see that kind of stuff. The parents take a picture of them in front of it, and it's really good. So it's nice to see that. But those other kids, forget about it. They beat the crap out of those decorations. And the mother was encouraging it. She's like, hey, yeah, punch it. I saw her in the video. I'm like, what? I was like, why the hell are you encouraging your child to break somebody's property? She was jealous of us, I guess. I don't know. They weren't, I don't think they were told to do that. She just came up with it on her own. But the time they all took pictures on my porch, everybody's like, it's so weird when I told them that. They go, maybe they thought your house was pretty with all this decoration. There was no decorations. The first floor, they don't celebrate anything. So you really can't really see decorations unless you look up. And it was around this time of year. There's nothing going on. Cinco de Mayo, we don't celebrate that. The other major holidays. And of course the sirens are going off right now. Oh, look at it. Is that him? Looks like the guy almost fucking punched in Duncan. See how they dress? They dress exactly the same. It's a trigger. Wow, this is going on forever. Excuse me. Can't wait to put this up. It's only like a block away with the sirens. It sounds even louder than it is. I'm gonna let you observe some stuff while I walk. Look at that. And that. Ooh, my foot. Sometimes I see stuff when I get here. Sometimes I don't. They probably did stuff earlier. I thought I was coming early. I didn't sleep much last night. But right before I woke up, I heard my name. And I'm like, so I woke up to look around, and I know nobody was home. So I was probably voice to skull shit. Like, what are you doing? I guess you want to get me that way today? I guess. I don't know. It's probably taxing me already. Yeah, pretty much. Every seat's taken. I was gonna sit on the bench for a minute. Someone's in there. That's some shit. Oh, the family I was telling you about was coming. Wearing red and black. This guy comes every day. Look at this guy. Every day I see him. Whew. Little girl dressed in a little outfit I got here.
Today we were learning
Video games, brother. Just want to see here for a minute. Catch my breath. Whew. I'm gonna make a second video. Come out of want to see. Yeah, this is what we're doing. I have a suspicion. You ever notice when people speak a different language and they point at language? I have. I didn't have to this time, but I'm saying people have done that to me. That's a form of gang stalking. Especially if you only speak English. Yeah, that's what they do. She was very nervous, Nancy. She looked at me like eyeballs out. She like dressed up her whole outfit. She's getting ready. But what can she really do? Go with the guy with camera or whatever. This is where they really hang out too. I mean, they drive around like that. Drive around and honk, honk, honk. Really a bunch of geese.